Beach County is pretty much playing by its own rules as Florida continues its fractured vaccine rollout. And that even applies to first responders, particularly police officers. CBS 12's Jay O'Brien has the new developments on efforts to get every cop in the state a potentially life-saving vaccine. Jay?
Yeah, Liz, 3 correctional deputies in Palm Beach County have died of coronavirus over the entire year. That's according to the Police Benevolent Association, the police union. Overall, across the state, the PBA says that COVID was the leading cause of death amongst law enforcement officers, and it's one of the reasons why those in that community are pushing to get the vaccine fast.
When CBS 12 News spoke with the head of the state's Police Benevolent Association last month, he wasn't happy.
Don't we matter? And I'm going to tell you right now, we better matter.
John Kazanjian was reacting to an announcement minutes earlier that police in Palm Beach County would have to wait a little longer to get the COVID vaccine.
You listen, it hurt a little bit in the arm.
Now, a month later, Kazanjian, also a reserve deputy with the sheriff's office, is sporting a vaccination himself, along with what he estimates are a couple hundred other colleagues.
We have to show an example. We have to show some leadership, and we have to step up to the plate just to show them how safe it is.
But that's not happening everywhere. Some Florida counties still haven't opened vaccinations to police officers. Like the rest of the state's rollout, it all depends on where you live.
And they've left it up to the health departments here in the different counties, and they're just doing, one's doing it one way, one's doing it the other way. Yeah, nobody's on the same page.
We have a very robust plan in place.
Across the state, counties like Palm Beach are making their own rules, blaming delays on a lack of supply. The more doses roll in, the more they'll be able to open up vaccination efforts.
2 simple words: be patient.
Meanwhile, Kazanjian warns police across the state are still at risk of daily COVID exposure, not just while making arrests, but on medical calls, too. He wants the governor to make vaccinating law enforcement a priority.
This is no joke, right? There's no joke.
Kazanjian told us he hopes to meet with the governor tomorrow. He actually spoke with us tonight from Tallahassee. Also, for reference, the state of New York, for instance, has already begun vaccinating law enforcement across the state in every county as of today. That goes along with other essential workers. I'm Jay O'Brien, CBS 12 News.